Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly tutorial on how I created this half cut crease eye makeup look. So guys, if you want to see a detailed makeup tutorial on how I created this half cut crease makeup glam, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, for my primer, I'll be making use of Nivea Men Post Shave Balm as my primer. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead to apply it on my face. Okay guys, and then for my foundation, I'll be making use of this classic makeup foundation. Okay guys, so guys, I'm just going to pop it on my face. Okay, and then making use of this beauty blender, I'm going to start right away to blend it out. So guys, for the blending, okay guys, you just need to dab it into your skin, as you guys can see. Okay, don't be afraid of making use of more layers of foundation, okay, in order to cover up your skin. That is what I did, okay guys, because I recently had an acne breakout. So guys, you just need to keep blending out the foundation. Okay, take your time, make sure you cover off your skin. Okay guys, and now I'm blending out my chin, okay, and the other part of my face. So guys, after that, I'm going to go ahead to blend out my forehead. Okay, so guys, to highlight my face, I'll be making use of this concealer. Okay, I'll be applying the concealer underneath my eyes, my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, okay, my cupid bow and my forehead. Okay, I'm as well going to apply a cream contour. Okay guys, as you guys can see, that is where I'm contouring. Okay, and also on my jawline. So guys, as well, I'll be concealing my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it all out, starting with the highlight first. Okay guys, you can see how I'm blending it. Okay, you just need to dab it into your skin. Okay guys, so guys, I'm making these tutorials to be beginner friendly makeup tutorials. Okay, makeup tutorial. So guys, you just need to keep blending. Okay, and then right now I'm blending out the contour. Okay, just need to go over the areas I contoured, dabbing it into my skin in order to blend it out. Okay, so guys, to set my highlight or to set my face, I'll be making use of this loose powder in order to set my face. So guys, I'm just going to go over the areas I highlighted, okay, to set it, okay, with using the loose translucent powder. And so guys, for my contour, in order to set my contour, okay guys, I'll be using this contour powder to set my contour, to go over the areas I contoured in order to set it. Okay, okay guys, just need to apply it there, the areas you contoured, and then blending it out. Okay, as for my blush, I'll be using that blush there. You just need to smile and then apply it on the apple of your cheeks, okay, while blending it out in a circular motion. Don't forget to tap out the excess before applying. So guys, going over to my brow, I'll be making use of this brow gel. Okay, you just need to line underneath of your brow, line the above, and then you're going to fill it in. Okay guys, coming to the front part, I just added a little bit of some strokes of eyebrow, making use of the brow gel. Okay, hair strokes, making use of the brow gel. So guys, coming over to my eyes, I'll be making use of Morphe 35O palette, okay guys, and I'll be making use of that color there as my transition color, okay guys. So guys, what you need to do is to take the eyeshadow color, okay, and then start blending it in a little bit above your crease, okay guys. So guys, now I'll be making use of this color here, okay. I'll be applying it as my crease color, okay guys. First of all, I'm just packing it in, and then I started to blend, and then I start to blend it towards my crease, okay. So guys, you just need to keep building up the color, okay. And then I'll be going in with this black color there, applying it on my liner, okay, on my line, okay, and also into my crease, okay. So guys, in order to smoke it out, after in which I started to blend it out, okay. So guys, I'll be going over with this color here in order to blend out the colors together, okay. Just keep blending it on my outer corner towards my crease. So guys, you just need to keep your time in order to blend out the eyeshadows properly, okay, to make sure that it's well blended. So guys, when I'm through, I'll be using the same concealer I use in order to cut my crease, okay. You just need to look down, okay, and then start to apply the concealer, and then you have to look up. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to make a detailed tutorial on how to cut your crease, okay. So guys, you just need to apply the concealer, and then making use of this color here, I'm going to apply it on top of the concealer. I didn't set it, okay. So guys, place it and drag, place and drag. That is how I apply the color on top of the concealer. So guys, now I'll be going over with that color there, okay, in order to blend my crease color and the other part, in order for it to be so seamless, okay. The half cut crease and my outer corner, I'm using that color to blend it out. So guys, now I'll be lining my eyes, making use of this liner, okay. After in which I'll be making use of this lash in the one called Sexy, okay guys. So guys, to highlight my face, I'll be making use of that highlight, okay. So guys, for my lips, this is the lipstick color I use, the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is the finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Check out my video on how I made this busy cut short hair wig. Okay guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you so much guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.